Okay, hi guys. So welcome to the first lab. I'm just showing you here my desktop and what I want you to do today, okay? So first thing you're going to do is log into your Desire to Learn, okay? Let me log out here. And please excuse my children in the background. All right. So we're going to do a little search here, and we're going to do NMHU. All right. Okay, find Highlands website. And obviously, this is very redundant as you have to log in to Desire to Learn in order to watch this video, but I'm going to show you anyway. Click on Desire to Learn, click on Login to Desire to Learn. Okay, put in your username and password, and sign in. Okay, so here's the course, right? Summer semester, Living with Computers, CRN 1397. Okay, I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to click on Resources. And under Resources, I'm going to click on Content. Okay. So you'll scroll down, you see your table of contents. Okay, lots of stuff in there. And then here's where the book chapter ends. Okay, and then here's where the lab section begins. So Lab 1, that's this today. Okay, click on that. This is D2L day. So yes, we all know how to log into Desire to Learn. Okay. Welcome to the first lab. Today we're going to go over the syllabus for lab, and I want you to submit a Word document to me via Dropbox. As everything you will do in this course will be submitted via Dropbox, it is imperative that you know how to use this important tool. All right, so I said we're going to go over the syllabus for the lab. There really isn't a syllabus for the lab that's any different from the syllabus for the course. Okay, if you click in here under the table of contents where it says start here, that will take you to the syllabus. There's another video you can watch on that syllabus. Basically, do your work, don't cheat, okay? And the lab is worth, I believe, 25% of your grade, so it's important that you do these activities, okay? So that's basically it. Everything's going to have its due dates. You'll be able to see those due dates as you go through the different sections of the lab. I'll give you a little quick video before each lab, so hopefully you'll watch that and listen to see what we'll be doing in the lab course that day. Okay, and so now that we've done the syllabus, okay, that's quote unquote, of course, I want you to click on this Chapter 1 Ethics. Okay, if you've read, hopefully you've read Chapter 1. Okay, and this is just a little thing I want you to fill out. Okay, the best way to do it, in my opinion, is to download it. Okay, and it's going to give you this option to open it up here with Microsoft Word. Yes, we want to do that. And then we wait for that to happen. My computer just had a massive update and is running horribly slow, so please forgive it. A little circle of death. Okay, here it comes. So you're going to open up your Word document here. The reason why we're opening it up in Word is so that you can type directly onto it, and you know, all of this, the whole assignment that's in here is going to automatically be there, so you don't have to type that up. Okay, I always have to enable editing. That's to allow you to actually come in here and get to work. So you'll come in here and you'll type in your name, okay, course and section. You could just do CS101 summer, okay, and then you'll answer the question. So the term digital divide refers to the gap in technology, access, and literacy. There have been many types of programs designed to close this gap. One current trend is to put tablets in the hands of every student. So use the internet to find a school program that supplies all students with a tablet or a notebook. What are the goals of the program? How was it funded? How has it been successful? How has its success or failure been measured? And then I want you to tell me, what do you think? Do you think programs like this one can really solve the digital divide? And why or why not? Okay, so use the internet, search, okay, read about different schools, fill it out in here, then include your sources. When I want you to include sources, all I want you to do is pretty much copy and paste the URL, that would be the website address, and stick it in there. We're not following any format. This is an English class. So just do that for me. Stick the sources in there. Be sure you answer all the questions, please, and try and, think, talk to me about what you think about the digital divide, and is this kind of program actually going to be successful in any manner? What do you think? Okay, so talk to me about that. All right. So once you've done that, we're going to come up here to File, Save. Okay, and so it's going to ask me, where do I want to save this file? Okay, for me personally, if I need something that I'm going to have quick access to, okay, I'm going to put on the desktop. We can create a new folder. This is probably a good thing for you to do. Okay, and I'll call my folder CS101, 101_lab. All right. Then we'll click in there and say this is where I want the name, this document to be saved. Okay. So we press save, and now we know, okay, it's saved into our folder. All right. So we can X out of that, which brings us back to here. Okay. Now you've done your assignment. So what I want you to do next is come click on Assessments and click on Dropbox. Okay, so when you click on Dropbox, you're going to see, okay, this is all the stuff that is homework. Okay, none of this is opening until June 5th at midnight. Okay, so that's why we can't access it. But so you come in here and you look and you say, okay, this is going to be my lab assignment. You want to click up here. All these little attachments that you'll see throughout are just stuff that I have added on there. Like this is the actual assignment. Okay, so if you click on that, it's going to open up, again, give you the option to open up Chapter 1 Ethics in Word. Okay, we already did that, so we're not going to do that now. So you want to click on here, this link right here. Okay. So LabOne Dropbox submission, this is the date it's due, June 12th, 2017 at 5 o'clock. And submit files is what we want to do. We're going to add a file. Okay, so let's look on my computer. Click on upload. Okay, it's going to take you, this is going to tell you exactly where you are. Okay, that's where we want to be. We want to be on the desktop. We know we started in our file CS101 lab. Okay. Select it, press open, make sure you see it appears in here, okay, press add. Alright, and now we see we've added this file. Okay, source my computer, that's where it came from. Comments, you can put, hi Jessica, have a wonderful day. Please learn how to spell. Just kidding. Don't put that. But you can put hi. You could put, oh, I had trouble with this, or I didn't, write a comment if you like. You don't have to. And then press submit. Okay. File upload confirmation. Yes, we definitely want to upload that file. Okay. Okay, and then thank you, phone. We just got an email saying that we submitted this successfully. Okay, email status, confirmation, email sent, uploaded by, total file size, your submission date, May 30th, 2017, the exact time, okay? And then you click done, and scroll down here, okay? Make sure, if you want to double check, you see that little 1 there, that's your submission. If you have a 0 there, that means you haven't submitted anything yet. But that little 1 means that you have 1 submission in there. And if you made a mistake, go ahead and submit as many times as you feel necessary. I don't limit the amount of times you can submit, but just keep in mind that, whatever if say I go in and submit this again, I made a change, then it's going to replace the one before. So it's not going to keep, 18 submissions for me. All right, so I'll log off here, but I just wanted to show you how to do that, and that's your first lab. So once you get that done, then I'll read through your answers and you'll get a response. Okay, so thank you for listening, and I'll see you in lab 2.